Oh god, I forgot these take forever to light. You might only get one of these lit. FYI.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Need another lighter.
Or two. Let's start a forest fire.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You're only gonna get 3.
Happy birthday, dear Corbin. Happy birthday to you.
Let out.
Take a wick.
You can't blow it out. You just gotta let
Keep
it do
going,
its
keep
thing.
going, keep going. Woo, woo.
Oh, she got touches
Keep
your
your eyes closed. I don't want to burn you.
I can help it.
That burns my eyes. Those really cute pictures.
To everyone.
I'll never forget that one.
All right.
Cupcake time.
Do you want a cupcake or?
Okay.
Get me some napkins right there.
Alright.
Look at this.
I got
What's right here, buddy?
cookie.
Yeah,
Ow,
I got cheesecake cookies. Ooh,
Corbin, smile with the cupcake.
Jared, I know you want
There's also
sugar kind of
filling
chocolate.
in it.
Picture.
There's some like
Hey Corbin, what was that face you
filling.
made when we told
Noli,
you this
what do you
morning
want,
that we caught a lizard in the glue trap?
Noli, what do you want, sweetheart?
What?
You want cupcake or cheesecake bar?
What? Oh,
Cheesecake
Caught
bar.
a lizard in the glue trap.
Speaking of lizards.
where?
It's a big one.
Oh, I see another one.
Handle it.
Yeah, there was one down there too.
You want help getting
I don't
down?
want anything to touch.
You don't want anything, Hudson?
Yeah. It was literally just on the wall. And I see it and I just ran over. It looks like it looks like one that Diera took.
What are you doing with all those? What are you doing?
Yeah, look at it.
Ah, score!
It's just a way of working it.
Damn, it's a cardboard box.
I got it! Corbin! That's funny.
Not yet. I think it is.
Oh, what is that, buddy?
Pull it out. Flip it over.
Told you, Kim.
What is it? Cameron? Deegan, what is it?
What?
By graphics.
Oh, you gotta ride that dirt bike now. It's got your own number on it.
You gotta write it now.
You gotta ride it. And you gotta help Daddy put them on.
What is
Oh, is that like a robot spider? How cool is that? That's perfect. What do you say? Good job. This is cool. Looks like there's a lot of love yous on there.
Don't lose that. Get a shot.
Do you see what it says? It says love you. Oh, Rita loves you.
Like a cousin. Like a
From Hub
Yeah, don't get jealous,
Harper
Deegan.
and Hunter to Corbin. What is that? Is that a candy corn?
Yeah, Angela is always like, oh,
Love
you. Sleepover. I'm like, yeah, Hunter can.
She thinks I wouldn't watch you. Keep your virtue safe.
No idea if they don't. This is heavy. We got you candy. A big thing of candy corn.
What is it?
A candy corn soda.
You're never like brothers.
We're plugging this in tonight.
And
Yes.
also, here. No, this is from me, Corbin. Yeah. Open it up. It's a lizard. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh,
I know, I just saw that. Graphics.
Oh, there's graphics. I don't do cars.
That's scaring me.
Out of the middle of the tub.
I don't think
Let me see Blizzard.
You're not in any.
it's good. And I know it's next.
What is it?
Pizza cat.
He loves me.
And then more.
Can you hold up the picture?
Oh, we have that.
Oh, you love Pinky. She she get one for brother too?
More painting! More painting! More. What is that? Building, I think.
Building a birdhouse. Whoa.
There's one last one. Puddle!
Okay, but can you hold up the Pete the cat, please, and look at Grammy? Because I had to shop for that one.
I really want to see this in my
Good job.
I wanted it. I
So
found
this, look, so this guy, mommy just had to read it. So this guy uses water and
it.
wow.
Mommy, from Dean. This goes.
Wow.
This one put it in the pool. Oh, I remember this one. This one's from Dean.
Anyways, she had a speech service that she coordinated, which I didn't.
Whoa. What do you think? Where are cars?
Dirty Tuesday.
That's cool.
So that's the goal.